sebi nkrasesem a member of parliament Jantuah Bama as another Dampare. Now we catch the MPs camera sisu we are seeing in ehwe Sebi sankwada same way. Oh catch the nipa so on to table no. Now who member of parliament won't ase ana. You can say member of parliament a what ase. Because we are minority chief whip. Into a council ma over any nyina parliament wo. Because asem where we was the IGP chiwomo. Because destroying of public property. Say me say on my japadia. Yet me na Jantuah say me tisim na me say on my japadia. Ye betimi atum enti adenti na IGP bepim ne member of parliament. Unkotrokrata say speaker of parliament MPs now wo mu say japadia na was here chiwomo. Adenti na wonye IGP. Speaker of Parliament, we want to hear today that you've written a letter to the Speaker of Parliament. Catch and say, MPs no mu say nyomani nyina no. MPs no mu say nyomani nyina no. They must be arrested. They must be arrested. It is not about they have immunity. When you destroy public property, it's a criminal act. There's no immunity. Check the law. Bra Facebook nemehe. You don't destroy things in the name of him. Write a letter. There are processes. Write a letter. IGP, write a letter to the Speaker of Parliament. Someone who say, government japadie MPB say no. And the Speaker will grant you same. Because someone take that rule to work her, then IGP, you are not serious. If IGP, some person so is serious, members of Parliament in Nyoma no mu ye enra. Some who catch them say, a japadie Ghana wono. Yes, I know. Because Omabre, it's the alphabet in then you don't understand. In fact, if you look at the law, certain privileges of the MPs, they are bad down. The law on privileges, MPs. There are certain privileges, so.